Verbal Intelligence MCQs. Question number 1. The sum of all the edges of a cube is 36. What is the volume of the cube? Option A, 26. Option B, 27. Option C, 28. Option D, 29. Answer is option B. Explanation. Question number 2. Friday is 2 August as Sunday is 2. Option A, Tuesday. Option B, October. Option C, December. Option D, Saturday. Answer is option B. Explanation. Question number 3. Box is coded as CDPQYZ, how would you write COAT encoded? Option A, UVPQDEBC. Option B, BCDEPQUV. Option C, PQDEBCUV. Option D, DEPQBCUV. Answer is option D. Explanation. Question number 4. 1/4 of 1/2 is. Option A, 1/2. Option B, 1/4. Option C, 1/6. Option D, 1/8. Answer is option D. Explanation. Question number 5. Complete the series 3, 8, 15, 24, and next. Option A, 35. Option B, 36. Option C, 37. Option D, 38. Answer is option A. Explanation. Question number 6. Son is to father as nephew is to. Option A, brother. Option B, uncle. Option C, cousin. Option D, niece. Answer is option B. Question number 7. 28% of 400 plus 45% of 250. Option A, 220.3. Option B, 150. Option C, 224.5. Option D, 190.3. Answer is option C. Explanation. Question number 8. If apples sell at Rs.45 per kg, how much will 8 kilograms cost? Option A, 300. Option B, 350. Option C, 360. Option D, 380. Answer is option C. Explanation. Question number 9. Date is to divorce as interview is to. Option A, hire. Option B, fire. Option C, annulment. Option D, work. Answer is option B. Question number 10. 56% of Y is 182. What is Y? Option A, 325. Option B, 330. Option C, 335. Option D, 340. Answer is option A. Explanation. Question number 11. Complete the series 20, 30, 25, 35, 40. Option A, 25. Option B, 30. Option C, 45. Option D, 35. Answer is option B. Explanation. Question number 12. If all males are green, and all females are red, then option A, all girls are orange. Option B, all girls are green. Option C, all boys are pink. Option D, all boys are green. Answer is option D. Explanation. Question number 13. Light is to window as air is to. Option A, atmosphere. Option B, wind. Option C, filter. Option D, breath. Answer is option A. Explanation. Question number 14. Complete the series. BC/C-DE/E, EF/E. Option A. CD/D. Option B. DC/D. Option C. CD/C. Option D. CE/E. Answer is option A. Explanation. Question number 15. What is average of 4, 8, 2, 6? Option A, 3. Option B, 4. Option C, 5. Option D, 6. Answer is option C. Explanation. Question number 16. Complete the series. 4, 40, 44, 5, 50, 49, 6. Dash. 55. Option A, 54. Option B, 50. Option C, 60. Option D, 70. Answer is option C. Explanation. Question number 17. The day after tomorrow is 3 days before a Monday. What day is it today? Option A, Wednesday. Option B, Tuesday. Option C, Monday. Option D, Thursday. Answer is option B. Explanation. Question number 18. Which is the odd one out? Option A, football. Option B, tennis. Option C, exercise. Option D, hockey. Answer is option C. Question number 19. Thread is to cloth as hair is to. Option A, braid. Option B, shave. Option C, head. Option D, headband. Answer is option A. Explanation. Question number 20. What percent is 42 kilograms of 336 kilograms? Option A, 10.5. Option B, 11.5. Option C, 12.5. Option D, 13.5. Answer is option C. Explanation. Thanks for watching video.